Good morning, student. Today we are going with the chapter number 2, animation tool, synthing. In animation tool synthing, we are learning the details of synthing software, synthing studio software. Before we going with the synthing studio, we learn how we can categorize this multimedia authoring tools into different categories. The first category is card or page based tool. So we call as a card or page based, where we develop or design the simple card or simple single page of animation. So that we call as a card or page based, where we just requirement of the single sheet or single page of animation. So some of the tools to develop the card or page based are HyperCard and Multimedia Toolbook. The second category is icon or event based tool. In the icon or event based tool, we used to develop the icon based or event based tools. For example, we give some events into the animation: double clicking, clicking, focus, on mouse over, on mouse out, on single click. This type of event we are used to develop the event based tools. So some of the tools of the event or icon based are authorware and icon author. So these are the second category. And the third category is time based tools. The animation tool which we perform with the sequence of time. The animation events or animation tool or animation object, we give the motion accordance to the time intervals. So that we call as a time based tools. So some of the example of the time based tool are Synfig, Pencil, Flash and Director. So these four software, or nowadays almost all the time based software are widely used to develop the animation apps. So before we going with the specific tools, we first clear the concept of animations. So you already know that animation means it is a visual changes over a time. Means we give the moments of the object for the specific time interval. We coordinates with the time as well as the motion, time and motion. So we call as a animation. In the animation, we have give the movement to the object with a sequence of time or interval of time. So we call as a animation. In the animation, we categorize in the two portion: 2D animation and 3D animation in sense of dimensional. And so first we going with the 2D, means two dimensional. Two dimensional stand for width and length. Width and length, that we call as a 2D animation, where the changes occurs in x and y axis. Changes occurs in x and y axis. For example, all the 2D surface, I give the example of pages of textbooks. This video surface are the 2D, just having a width and length. Width and length, just two surfaces. You see the two dimensional only, width and length. So they are having a changes in the x and y axis, means width and length, that we call as a two dimensional software. So every surface which are visualized for the two dimensional, they are having a width and length, that we call as a two dimensional. I give the some of the example is your blackboard of the classroom, your textbooks page. These all are the 2D surface. Means we have only visualized the two side of the object. So we call as a 2D animation. So some of the example of the 2D software are Macromedia Flash. So Macromedia Flash are widely used in the professional world. We know that the Adobe Flash, which are developed this software, Macromedia Flash, which are widely used to perform the 2D animation in the market. Second, we learn the open source software is Synfig Studio, which will be having detail in the syllabus. The detail of the Synfig Studio given in the syllabus. We have till 1 to 5 chapter will be given for the Synfig Studio. So this we learn in the detail in the next topic. Third one is a Pencil. So Pencil is also one of the 2D software of the open source category, which is used to the hand drawn 2D animation. So these are the 2D animation example. Now we move with the 3D animation. 3D stand for third dimensional, where the changes occur in the three side. Three side means length, width and height. Whenever we see the third dimension, means third side, that we call as a 3D animation. So I give the some of the example. Whenever see some of the cubic type of representation, that we see the third side. That we see the third side in the 3D animation. You already know that when we want to visualize the 3D animation, we need some specific glasses to view the 3D animation. You already know that in the Ahmedabad we have a Science City. They are having a one theater which will be showing the 3D animation from the Ancient time means 2005. They're having a one theater which showing the 3D graphics, 3D movies. So you already know that they're having a third visualization of the our eyes view that we call as a 3D animation. So they're having a length, width as well as height. They're having a cubic view of the object that we call as a third dimension or 3D animation. So they're having some professional software which are used in the market to design the 3D animation. Maya, Blender and 3D Max. All the type of cartoons, all the type of your animation act which are mostly designed or developed in this three software. Whatever you are seeing the 3D object or 3D motion effect in the animation, this mostly designed in these three software: Maya, Blender and 3D Max. These are widely used in the nowadays world to develop the 3D application. Now we move with the another tool, Pencil. The Pencil is used to design the 2D animation kind of animation software. The Pencil is a 2D animation software which is also belong to the time-based animation tool, which is used to draw the hand-drawn animation for the bitmap and vector graphics. The both the thing we can design with the Pencil, bitmap and vector graphics. Pencil is available for the freely download www.pencil.animation.org. These are the URL given of the website where we can freely download the Pencil tool. And the fourth information is Pencil is available for the all the operating system platform. If the user can use the Linux, then also can download the Pencil. If the user having a Windows and user having a Macintosh means Mac operating system, then also they can use their required Pencil version of animation software. So this is the basic thing about the Pencil. Now we view the interface of the Pencil. So these are the some information about the or some picture idea about the Pencil. So this about the Pencil version is a 0.4, 4.4. These are the version of the Pencil. They're having a you visualize the some of the tools, some of the color panels, some of the taskbar, some of the status bar, some of the keys, some of the time interval 12, 24, 36. These are the keyframe which are we mention for the animation keyframes. Whenever we want to give the motion to the object, that time we select that keyframe. For example, if you want to give the motion of 12 frame, so this will be moved to the 12 frame 12 second. So these are some of the basic information about Pencil. We just have this theoretical portion of the Pencil, but I just to give the picture to get the basic idea about Pencil. So these are the interface about Pencil. Now we move with the main software which are widely used for our animation practical. This is a Synfig Studio. So before we going with the practical, we have to needs to get some of the information about the Synfig Studio. So Synfig Studio is open source 2D software to design the time-based animation, which is used to design the time-based animation. 2D means used to develop the two-dimensional application used for the vector graphics, which released in 2005. These are released in the 2005, which is used to only develop the vector animation graphics. The third thing is a Synfig is a open source software. Open source stand for their source code to be a open. There's to be no issue of copyrights and law of the patents or copyright of the software. You can freely download it. You can share with your friend. You can exchange with your friend. This will be available for everyone and freely. We can download from the given URL http www.synfig.org. Everyone can freely download from this website http www.synfig.org. The Synfig also available for three platform for the Linux user, Windows user and Mac user. The another thing is the first version of Synfig which are released in 2005 is 0.61.05. These are important for the exam purpose. 0.61.05 and latest version according to book print in 2015 is 0.63.05. These are the latest version of Synfig available for the download in the website. So this about the Synfig. Now we see the interface of the Synfig. So Synfig having this type of interface. They're having some of the tools are there in the toolbox. The center area is a canvas where we put the object, where we draw the object, where we give the motion to the object. The third is a panel. So many panels are there to apply the different purpose or different activity on the object. The in the bottom part they are having some of the keyframe, some of the time bar, and some of the parameter or some other panels are there in the bottom of the Synping interface. Some of the background colors, some of the foregrounds color changes are there in the, and there are so many other tools are there which will be learned in the details in the next portion. So these are the basic idea about Synping interface. I just take the picture so you can get the idea how the interface of Synping looks like. So thank you.